Welcome back guys to the channel for another GU analysis. For this week, this video will be a little bit different because I will start from all the way to the monthly time frame all the way down to the H1 time frame, just for the fact that today is a first Sunday of this new month, and also we have a lower high that was formed on the monthly time frame. So I want to start all the way from the monthly time frame and analyze all the way down to the H1 time frame to show you guys what's happening and what we're expecting to see this coming up week or this coming up month or this year based off the monthly time frame. So as you can see on the monthly time frame, we can see that a lower high was formed on the monthly time frame just based off this structure right here. The structure is bearish, right? And now what we're looking for is a break of structure on lower time frame, whichever time frame it is, that will match with what we're looking for us to take our sell opportunity, right? So this is what we're looking for on the based off our monthly time frame. We are only looking for long-term sell if and when that sell opportunity appears, right? And things we should be considering on this time frame is this three things, right? So this candle right here is a inverted hammer, right? The inverted hammer, and then next to it look like either a hammer or a hangman, whichever one you want to like call this, it will fit, right? So next candle, the only thing we're looking for that next candle to do is to close bearish. Once that candle closes bearish, it will confirm our bias that everything's gonna go to the bearish side based off the monthly time frame. And also on the monthly time frame, we have price from that lower high on a monthly key level, right? So we have monthly key level, that's one thing that happened. Then you have your inverted hammer, that's two, and the third one is your hangman or your hammer, right? So that's like three things that form on this time frame that indicate that there's a high possibility this area will reverse and go to the bearish side. But now we're gonna go to the weekly time frame. Our weekly time frame have formed a head and shoulder pattern, right? This is our head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, head, right? So next thing we're looking for is a bearish. We're looking for our sell opportunity for our bearish. So if and when the opportunity presents itself, right, this is where we should be doing for our entries. And next place we'll be looking for is for TP will be 100% retrace, right? Based off the weekly time frame, we'll be looking for 100% retrace for a TP. So weekly is bearish right now. It also formed a head and shoulder pattern. So next thing we're looking for is for the continual down bearish, right? We're looking for a bearish move based off the weekly time frame. Also support already broken, price already support already broken, and price have closed below the support level. Next thing we'll be looking for is a retrace for the retest, but this candle pretty much did the retest on lower time frame. So if it does go back up again, then we're still gonna keep the same bias for a bearish, right? So if price does retrace back up to that same area, we're still gonna be looking for a sell and take our sell when it retested again, if it does retest it again, right? On the daily time frame, don't need this note anymore. Daily time frame is still bearish, right? You can see lower high, low high, low low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now we're just waiting for price to either use this area as a support level, or for it to break it, retest it, and keep continuing down on the bearish side. So this is what we're looking for right now. On a daily, most likely we're probably going to be looking for a buy based on lower time frame, right? Still gonna be the same thing, right? Looking for the buy, because this is a support level right here. So we don't know if it's gonna respect it or if it's gonna reject that support level, right? So it's two things we'll be looking for on this area, either for price to respect that area and we'll take our buy and took our TP on that previous level of resistance, or price to reject that support level, breaks it, then retest it, then continue on for our sell opportunity if it does present itself, right? This is what we're looking for on a daily. And H4 time frame. H4 time frame is bearish. H4 time frame is still bearish. There's no clear structure of what we're looking for, but like I said, based on the daily time frame, we most likely will be looking for buy also, but there's nothing that says we buys already yet, right? So we're still probably gonna wait maybe a couple day or two to see how this area form in that area for us to take a buy if the buy does present itself, or if this area gonna be rejected as support level and breaks on down and continue down for the bearish move. So we're gonna go to the H1 time frame. Our H1 time frame, this is what I have drawn on H1. So this is just seeing if it's gonna do that, but there's no guarantee. We're just gonna react to what market does. On H1, this area right here, I've marked it as high lows, right? All this area right here was a support level, right? This area right here was a strong support level. Price bounces multiple times on that area, right? So next thing we're looking for is to see if price is going to respect that area again. The way I have it drawn right here, if it's gonna respect it, so we can take our buy, and our TP will be right here at the 1.26283 price point. Just because the way I was explaining from our daily time frame, we were looking to see if price gonna respect that area, right? So see how that area gonna look like, if it's gonna respect that too, right? So it looked like it's matching. So the only thing we're looking for is for the break of structure. On break of structure basic mostly on the H1 time frame for us to take that buy, right? So this is what we're looking for on GU, all the way from the monthly time frame down to the H1 time frame. But mainly the only thing we will be taking long term is sales. We're just waiting for that opportunity to present itself. But as of right now, based on this currently price where it's at right now, we're mainly gonna be looking for a buy. But if the opportunity for sale does present itself, then we can also take that. We will also take that. So right now we're only looking for buys. Then if the opportunity for sale presents itself, then we'll be taking it. But yes, this is it for this video. Like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. And yes, this video is definitely different compared to the other one I've done, and that's probably the only one I'll be doing for this month like that. And every month, like maybe the first Sunday, I will always do a top-down analysis on GU. So thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.